What's going on YouTube? It's Dr. Dragonkick, and today we're going to be opening up a Legends and Antiquities Booster as part 3 of our old school draft. This is about $1,600, so hopefully we get something good.
How do I draft the shooting?
I want to draft a Field of Dreams.
You got to play with the Field of Dreams.
Absolutely. Let's see here.
Okay. Second
Purge is cool.
Okay, you got some faint.
One thing to remember is there's so many cards.
Barbarian Grizzlies.
Not
Rest.
creatures. There's so many cards.
Wall of Earth. Energy Flux, good card. John Slade.
Okay.
Ooh, Urborg, nice.
Okay.
Ooh, alright. Pavel Maliki, yeah.
Okay, he's cool. He's cool. He's a
Shield
shield.
Wall, and come on, baby. Come on, baby. Caverns of Despair, yeah.
These are
Excellent.
These are good rares.
Excellent.
Okay.
These are good
All right.
rares. That's not my first pick if I was
All right.
There
drafting.
you go.
Have another one.
These sets weren't really made for draft.
But you got two priests.
I know, Crew Priest, I'd never, that's not, they don't do that. They don't make them like that anymore. They're a little different.
Alright.
So it goes, the second card from the last is the rare?
So there's only uncommons.
There's only uncommon, then you get two of them. So the last.
There's no rares.
No rares, yeah.
Oh, the last two are uncommon.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed
Okay,
one.
that's a heck of an open.
So
That's a heck of an open
Clock.
on that pack wrapper right there.
So Armageddon Clock and Primal
Alright.
Play are the two uncommons?
Okay, here we go.
Beautiful, okay.
Power Plant.
Power plant,
Oh, okay.
all day.
Grape Shot Catapult. Excellent card. Priest of
Priest,
Yawgmoth.
a
We
lot
want
of
to make
Priest
sure we have a
we're
few of
making a lot
those.
of mana.
Another Urza's Chalice.
Okay, hold on.
Reconstruction, of course.
Look, yeah, it's missing the symbol.
Only-
looks
only
like
card.
beta.
Yep.
You know, so that's cool.
Another
Cool.
Power Plant.
That's cool.
Power Artifact!
That's a big one.
Yeah, heck yeah.
That's a good one.
And a
Millstone. Perfect.
That's
That's a
that's
good
one
one.
of the best. Yeah.
That's a good one.
Wow, nice. Good.
So there you have it, a Power Artifact, a Millstone, and a Caverns of Despair. I think I would give you a quick hitter for today. I hope you have a great day and you feel well and do something that you like to do. Part 4 will be coming up soon. That's the ones that I actually drafted, and there is more spice to come. Additionally, I've opened up a Rudy's 6.9 in Alpha Investments anniversary pack, and I got some spice from that coming. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Take care.